Right, thank you for staying with Business Today. Now, it has emerged that some subsidized fertilizers currently under distribution by the National Cereals and Produce Board are not certified by the Kenya Bureau of Standards. Now, Managing Director Esther Ngare told a parliamentary committee on agriculture and livestock that some of the fertilizers they have seized in NCPB depots are unsuitable for use and have not been certified under the government subsidy program. She also said that the product which KEBS had initially certified is different from what has been seized from NCPB depots, also condemned as substandard and counterfeited. And as KTN's Daniel Kariuki now reports, KEBS has so far seized over 5,000 bags of substandard fertilizers from the market.
Amid fears from farmers that they could be buying substandard fertilizer as they till their land for the next planting season, their fears could have been confirmed Wednesday. The Kenya Bureau of Standards, KEBS, has come out to say that the fertilizers flagged as being unsuitable for use is not certified by KEBS.
The product being distributed is not certified by Kenya Bureau of Standards. The product is not in the government subsidy program as per the information we have. Honorable Member, the product which Kenya Bureau of Standards initially certified is different from what has been seized from the various NCPB depots in the country.
Appearing before the Parliamentary Committee on Agriculture and Livestock, the National Assembly, KEBS Managing Director Esther Ngare explained that KEBS had signed a certification contract for the scheme of supervision and control with a firm called SBL Innovate Manufacturers Limited.
Because the way you put it, it's like you're saying it was during routine market surveillance. Now, routine market surveillance means that your officers are surveilling this product.
Our investigations revealed that SBL Innovate Manufacturers Limited engaged in the misuse of the KEBS standardization mark on a product that was not certified by Kenya Bureau of Standards.
According to SBL Innovate Manufacturers Limited, KEBS tested their products and approved them, saying those condemned as substandard and counterfeit were not their product.
KEBS kwa nini hawajatoa results zile tumeambiwa atoe? Tunajiuliza. Hiyo ndio swali tunajiuliza na tunataka tu watuambie, na ningetaka watoe result za silka. Ile tuliambia wa main component, watu wote wamekataa, tunataka wazitoe. Ndio kila mwananchi ajue ukweli.
Ngare, however, insisted that the fertilizer was not among the subsidized fertilizer that is being sold by the government, sentiments echoed by Agriculture PS Paul Rono.
We haven't seen this product anywhere else in our agrobets, but under the NCPB warehouses, we are able to seize the number of bags which are imported as 5,840.
In terms of repackaging, that one in this administration is nil by mouth. You will not get anybody even behaving like changing the quality, the content, and the size in terms of quantity of the fertilizer.
The committee that is investigating the possibility of substandard fertilizer being sold to Kenyan farmers is set to meet Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mithika Linturi and NCPB next week on the same issue. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News, Nairobi.
All right.